What's up, y'all? Ben McDonnell here, and today we are going to Paradise Point, an island getaway in Mission Bay, San Diego. I used to come here all the time as a kid. As a guest? No. But to enjoy the views? Definitely. Today, I'm just gonna be enjoying my time out here, just gonna have some fun, and obviously bring you guys along with me, as I always love coming out here. So usually at Paradise Point, they have tons of ducks out here. They just love to be around the area. I mean, I would too if I was a duck. So today I brought some good old faithful Cheerios. We're gonna feed some ducks today and, you know, just check out the scenery and just have some fun out here. So with that being said, let's get into it. What's up, y'all? So they're literally just out here just doing their thing. It's so cool. Like, they're just chilling here. They literally just sleep. I mean, there's literally guys just walking up, just doing his thing, you know, acting like he owns the place. That's so cool. Like, they're such majestic creatures. Like, they're just out here. They just doing their thing. Like, they just nest up here all day, you know. It's awesome. All right, y'all, it's time to start some feeding. I mean, we got some hungry dudes right here. Let's get it. Oh, hey, these guys are wild, man. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna take my stuff here, see if they can follow. They probably won't follow me, in all honesty. I'm just going a few more feet down the road here. Any followers? No, it doesn't seem like it. They're everywhere, man. I mean, there's more over there. Look, they're all coming over. They're all coming over this way. Like, I have so much fun just coming out here by myself and, you know, just feeding the ducks or just like looking at them, just looking at all the scenery and stuff like that. It's so cool. And it's just a way to live. I love how, like, every single one of these ducks are just waiting here, waiting for my next move. They're just doing their thing. Whee! And they'll just fight over everything. Like, look how many of them are there, jeez. Look, they're just gonna continue following me. They're just gonna continue following me. This is so cool. I love this. It's like I got my own little entourage. It's so cool. I love this. Like, on land and sea. They're just climbing over each other. It's so weird. Oh my god, dude, they're insane, man. They're insane. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna dump out the rest of the road. Oh, jeez. That was gonna just be a chill shot. Dude, what's your problem, man? Now get in there. Whoa, look up there. Bunch of cranes. It's like they're trying to nest up there or something like that. There's tons of them in there. Yo, what up, dude? Whoa, black and white. Yo, that dude's sick. This dude's awesome. Look at that. Look at the coloring. I've never seen that on a duck before. Yo, that's actually so cool. Look at that big old koi fish out there, Chad. That's insane. Guys, I'm walking up the steps and look. Little babies up in the tree here. That's so cool. Never actually seen that before. That's really neat. Well, y'all, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.